Hello, today we're going to talk about the United States GDP growth rate that has just come in, and we're seeing that the US economy expanded at an annualized 2.4% quarter on quarter in the second quarter of 2023, higher than 2% in the previous period and way above market expectations of 1.8%. The advanced estimate showed, and non-residential fixed investment accelerated sharply by 7.7% versus 0.6%, led by a rebound in equipment by 10.8% versus a minus 8.9% drop, and intellectual property products. Also, private inventories added 0.14 percentage points to the growth. On the other hand, consumer spending slowed sharply, 1.6% versus 4.2%, but still overshot market estimates as inflation eased, but the labor market remained tight. While consumption of goods slowed sharply, spending on services remained strong, and also public expenditure increased at a much softer pace, and net trade weighed down on the growth by subtracting 0.12 percentage points as exports were down 10.8% and imports dropped at a similar but smaller 7.8%. Residential investment continued to decline, minus 4.2% versus minus 4%. And if we look at other data that is coming in, we saw that the ECB hikes rate for the ninth consecutive time today. The European Central Bank raised interest rates as expected by 25 basis points, a ninth consecutive rate hike, saying inflation is still too high. And we're also seeing in Europe that the German consumer morale rises more than expected. Germany's GfK consumer climate indicator rose to minus 24.4 heading into August 2023 from a downwardly revised minus 25.2 in the prior month. And on top of that, we see that the US initial job claims fall to a 5-month low. The number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell by 7,000 from the prior week to 221,000 on the week ending July 22nd. So coming back to the mixed picture, we still have a mixed picture, but looking at the markets, they are recovering nicely, and we're seeing that the US futures are quite positive. We're seeing that the US Nasdaq futures are currently trading 1.6%, and the S&P 500 is rising nearly by 1% as far as the futures indicate. If you would like to receive more updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.